What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? It's been a while since I did an install. Shop's been pretty slow because the season is slowing up. But I got this in from Tricled, courtesy of Slingmods. Gonna add some accent lighting and turn signals, front and rear. So check it out. Alright, so today we're going to be doing this. So we have those rear lights, and they also going to turn into turn signals. So you're going to have all of this working together with each other. So let me show you what the kit is, what the kit looks like. Alright, obviously the first one's been installed. So I'm going to show you what it comes with. So you have I believe this is a relay. This is what's going to make the light blink back and forth. An extension, cable, a splitter, and a 2 to 3 splitter. Alcohol wipes and primer comes with this. You're going to remove the fender, and you all know how to do that. We're going to take the 4 bolts off the fender, expose the wiring. Because this already had a trick LED set on it, we're just expanding to it. So let's go ahead to the other side of the bike and start working on that bad boy. Alright, so fender's off, 2 bolts. Remove the brake, not the brake, remove the turn signal, install the splitter, run the extension down alongside, zip tie everything along the wires and the cables here. It's going to come to the end, and this is your relay to make the blink, and this is your 3 to 2 splitter, and we're going to attach the turn signals to the back and continue with some more zip tie. Make sure everything's out the way, then we'll plug everything up. Remember, there's going to be 2 screws underneath here holding that light, that turn signal light on, so don't forget that. And don't forget, you might have a screw here if you did not already replace this as a turn signal. Alright, so let's finish it off.